So this is part 2 to last week's video where I kind of just update you guys on everything that happened that I couldn't fit into the last video. The next video that comes out with this, however, is going to be the episode 2 where you guys get to see the final touches and everything exciting like that. So let's get into it. I don't know if you can see them, but they're flying through the clouds. There's one way over there that you can kind of see. Brave birds, having a good time. You can't even see him. He's like a little dot over there. Just chilling, gliding down through. Good morning. Not good morning, it's afternoon. It's raining. It's raining. The birds are still flying. There's lightning and thunder. But I actually really like the rain. I really love the rain. There you go. It actually smells so good. It smells so good. I wonder if I can do a rain dance to make it rain more. Rain more. Rain more. You can do it. Rain more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I believe in you. You can do it. Go. Shh. Again. You can do it. I believe in you. I really like the rain. It looks so pretty and it smells so good and it makes all the plants super duper happy. It makes my pets scared. But it does make me and the plants really, really, really happy. Yep. It's been actually a really busy day. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. And yesterday I applied to be a barista at a coffee shop. Today I ran around. I spent time with my grandma. I spent time with my little sister. We had a grand old time. I was working on content today and yesterday. I just didn't film it, but I did schedule a bunch of stuff and everything as such. I am doing a really bad job at filming actually this week because I'm busy. I like packaged all my clothes in the totes that I was telling you guys about. I'm actually kind of nervous. I feel kind of like anxious and kind of wiggly because I feel like something drastic's about to happen and it's going to drastically change my life. But I don't know exactly what it is. And so I'm a bit nervous because it's like one of those gut feelings that's like something's about to happen. Something's going down in the shadows. Someone's pulling some strings. And I'm nervous about it. I'm nervous but excited because I feel like it's going to be a good, healthy life change. But I don't know what it is yet. It could be me getting the job. It could be my sister moving into my room. It could just be me working uber duper hard to be extra amazing and razzle-dazzly. But it's also raining, and I think that's a good sign. Rain's a good sign. It means we're washing away the bad and bringing to life the new. It's a nice fall rain, so the ground smells extra nice. The petrichor is hitting. I'm getting hit with like little cute droplets of rain. Kiss the water because it deserves all the love. Thank you. Take a look at it. Very grateful for everything. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And when I figure out what it is I'm sensing or why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling, I'll let you guys know. And yeah. I'm super excited. I hope we are having a beautiful fall. And a beautiful year, which leads to a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful life. So, that is our hope. I am the type of girl who normally dances in the rain. I love to go out and play in the rain, but there's lightning too. And you know what? I know statistically shouldn't hit me. But do I test the fates? No, I don't. I mind my business. I mind my business. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I want to go take photos. When it rains, it's actually my favorite time to mess around with photography because everything's wet and really saturated and like really like the contrast is like my favorite. But I can't do anything at this moment. I can film and show you guys. I report like a weatherman. It's raining. But can't do much else. So I'm so excited. Okay.
See here, kid. You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bang it.